সিরাজদৌল্লা's fall 1857 Sipahi Mutiny 1858 close your eyes and try to recall 1858 Queen's Proclamation, that means the Britishers are taking the power in their own hand. From 1757 to 1857 they have not done anything, but they have done something. You can consider this particular British clocks, at least at that time, they are the most industrious. These people used to believe in the perseverance. Why I am saying this thing? You see that these people have started their journey. Mainly, Britain has been called as the Queen of the Seas. That means these people, obviously their country is something like this. Obviously landforms are there, but these people didn't keep themselves satisfied within that particular territory. Now, if you want to get the access of more in your life, whatever it may be, in your study or on your material things, whatever you want to pursue in your life, you have to come out from the place where you are living. Because when I will teach you political science, that time these things will be more clear to you as optional. Because now for this timing I am trying to give you some kind of the other kind of the understanding. As for example, your cow gives per day 1 kg milk. Your cow on each day gives you 1 kg of milk. How the things are interrelated, please try to understand this thing. Now out of that you keep 200 ml with you and rest 800 ml you sell. So as a resultant, what is happening? You are getting one good health, and along with that your economy is also becoming prosperous. That is the understanding. Now the thing is, you are thinking, or some new members has been got included in your family. Whether has included or not included, maybe get included or may not be get included. But anyhow, whatever the thing, you want to augment it more. Augment it more means what? You want to become more healthy. So you have decided to consume 250 ml milk. So if 250 ml milk you want to consume, that means 50 ml extra. That means what is going to happen? Your monetary or material prosperity is going to be get skewed down. It is going to be get skewed down. You have to sacrifice. But if you do not want to sacrifice anything, rather you are choosing to augment your material prosperity further and your health prosperity further, that time what you have to do? That whatever the money you have at this time you have managed from milk selling, if you can purchase another cow, then totally 950 ml, that cow is also giving 1 kg of milk. So totally 950 ml, whatever the price you are going to get through that selling of the 950 ml milk, your prosperity is going to get jumped. You're getting my words? And all the side, your nutrition is also going to be taken care, and along with that you are going to add to your purse. So for that, what you have to do, you have to point out the means from where it is coming. You want to enjoy power, but you do not want to live out from your home. It is not possible. At this end, you are enjoying power by sitting in the home over your family. That's all. But if you want to go somewhere or want to inherit more power, want to possess more power, you have to reach to the further number of the people. Are you getting my things? So from the British, for that, to do this thing, to purchase another cow, what you have to do? You have to become industrious. You must possess that particular yearn from within self, so that you can go for that. Are you getting my words? So that is applicable for your study also. If you are not living your comfort space, you cannot reach to your destination. But for that, to achieve that, I am not saying to sacrifice the basic things. Because always remember, I don't know how many take me seriously. Anyway, always remember, for everything some cardinal rule always remains. Some cardinal rule always remains. Always remember in mind. If you are purchasing another cow, you are only thinking in the monetary terms. But it is not. Along with that, you have to go with the more labor to look after that another cow. Means you have to provide labor. So without labor, nothing is going to be achieved. Whether it is material or spiritual or whatever may it is. For everything the cardinal rule is there. As for example, there the labor. Honestly, you have to take care of that particular cow. Otherwise, forget about giving 1 kg of milk. The proportion is going to be reduced. And as already you have purchased another cow and your economy to some way has been got depleted, you will be in big trouble. For your study, if you think that you have money, if you have some kind of a good school background, college background, and if that allows you to disrespect one person from whom you are getting taught, in your life, success maybe will remain obscure. Maybe you will achieve something in your life, but that is not as per your potential. Nobody has came in this world with different heads, believe me. If Elon Musk can send the rockets and not sending the rockets, it is a whole story. 1,000 times in the class I have said. Can be the man who can take the charge of all the NASA scientists. Then human potentiality, its boundary is limitless. You will live with one empty life, and that's all. So you have to leave your comfort zone, but without forgetting the cardinal features. Then the add-ons should be there. You can purchase another cow. So for the Britishers, they didn't keep themselves constant within that particular territory. When the people didn't have any idea, they have started with the sea voyages here and there. In the attire of on the real sense, not attire, or some kind of the veil. On real attire of traders, they have reached to the different parts of the world. And later you see, these people stayed there being humble. From there, they have gathered the power, because when you are becoming humble now, you believe me, you are not losing anything. You are actually imbibing power. Because when you are humble now, a lot of people are going to take you very lightly. They are going to make you mock or abusement, though not verbally, but with the attitude you are going to get. They are not going to value you. But if you have the things within yourself, that the material, as you are not exposing the things, so the people are behaving in that manner. We just try to understand the power of you. Power of you means what? When you know that with just your one word, a lot of things can happen, but you have chosen to remain silent. People are tormenting you. People are playing with your soul, but you have chosen to remain silent. You can ask me, sir, what kind of power you are saying? Here we are not getting any power. This is the power, that means why you are not responding. Because you have the control mechanism within yourself that I am not going to respond whatever the circumstances it will be. That means you know the truth, who you are. One child has, I have given you this example earlier in the class, one child has came to you and has started to say, do you know A, B, C, D, A for apple? See, only I am the person, I know it. There what you should do, you should give one smile and you should say, that's my boy. Are you getting my things? So, and I have not said this thing. I never hide the source. When I will teach your political science optional, that time the things will be more clear. Gandhiji has said that if you can keep the control over you, that means you are that stronger you are. It is all about the control mechanism. And you be sure that people will go with the things that maybe they are happy, whatever they are doing great. Nobody is catching, nobody is noticing. But believe me, the thing is something like that. When you are realizing everything, but still you have chosen yourself to be silent. That is the highest form of power. So that was also with the Britishers. Try to imbibe these qualities within yourself. Those who take me seriously, for them I am saying, try to imbibe this quality within yourself. Your future will be shining. You do not know what is waiting for you because you cannot see the things. Because for that, what the lens you need, you are not preoccupied with that. Slowly you have to develop to know your limit, and it comes through practice. Maybe you are seeing yourself here, that is your, that to that you reach, but that with your lens. But your potentiality was maybe like this. So you are losing actually, right now. You are actually losing. So that was the Britishers. And 1757 to 1857, this thing I have discussed enough. They totally shackled India, made India, all the Indian princes, all the rulers dependent on them. They were in need of some kind of the provocation, and the provocation has came in the terms of the supermutiny. And what has happened after that, rest is the history.